Yes, people, a very, very happy morning to all of you. Thank you so much. So, guys, we're doing this chapter called as Rules of Debit Credit, also Accounting Procedure. In the last class, we had an in depth discussion about what is the accounting process or the accounting procedure, right? So, I will not repeat this again today because, in which case, this 100 times we are going to come across in the entire year. So, today I will not immediately recap this. But of course, in the days to come, we'll definitely touch upon these topics again and again, over and again. So, in the accounting process, in the third step, which is recording, in that, the first step is once you identify a BFT, or a BFE, you're supposed to identify the number of accounts involved in it. So, my question to all of you, in a transaction, how many minimum transactions are there? In a transaction, how many minimum accounts are there? Minimum 2, maximum unlimited 3, 4, 5, 6. N number of accounts is possible. These accounts you're supposed to classify based on their nature. In accounts, how many broad classification of accounts? Actually, it is 5, but since capital and liabilities of same type, I combined them together. But otherwise, it is 5 classification. First classification is expense. Second classification is income. Third classification is capital or liability. Actually, capital is separate classification, liability is separate classification, but since nature of both is same, we combine it together. And last one is asset classification. If you take any account in any transaction, you will be able to classify them under any of these 4 classification or any of these 5 classifications. And once you identify that this account is this classification, now you're supposed to apply the rules of debit credit. Now you have to decide that which account should be debited and which account should be credited. For that, 2 rules have been laid down. One is golden rule, another is modern rule. For the purpose of classification, for the purpose of deciding what to debit and credit, we have 2 types of classifications further, which is called as traditional classification. Second is modern classification. One is traditional classification, second is modern classification. Traditional classification of accounts is called as golden rule of accounting. It is called as golden rule of accounting. This is the oldest rule which we begin with. So this rule is what we are going to focus on today. So if you're ready, can I start? So as per traditional classification, all the accounts that you've classified as either expense, income, asset, liability, capital can further be classified under 3 categories. Listen to me very carefully. Traditional classification, also called as golden rule of accounting. This rule says that all the accounts that you have identified can be classified under 3 categories. First is personal account. What is it? Personal account. Second is real account. And third is nominal account. Nominal account. These both together are called as impersonal account. So actually one is personal, second is impersonal. Under personal we have 3 subclassification. Under impersonal we have 2 subclassification. Now, this looks very complicated. Got it, not got it. Hence, I said the golden rule says that all the accounts can be classified either as personal or real or nominal. Got it, not got it. Real and nominal put together are called as impersonal account. Nowhere you need to remember this. If you just, அதாவது இது focus பண்ணி படிக்கணும் அவசியம் இல்லை. Impersonal account as a question you will not be asked. But back of the mind, you know that real and nominal account is a part of your impersonal account. Got it, not got it. Now, once you identify a BFT, in the BFT, you're supposed to identify accounts. Once you identify a BFT, in that you're supposed to identify accounts. The accounts should be classified whether they are expense, income, asset, liability, capital. Yes or no? Now, once you identify an item as expense or income, once you identify an item, that is an account, as expense and income, you will take them to a house called as nominal account. I call this as house also. So you are invited to whose house? Nominal account. So nominal account says that all the accounts, nominal account says that all the accounts which has got the flavor of, which has got the taste of expenses, income, you come to my house. So who is inviting? Which house is inviting expenses and income? Tell me. Nominal account. So all the expenses, including loss, all the income, including gains, you will be going to nominal account to identify, should I be debited or should I be credited? Now, expenses, should I be debited or credited in books of accounts? If I want to know the rule, my rule, I have to go to nominal account. So what does the nominal account says? Debit all expense and losses. If you are loss, debit yourself. If you are loss, debit yourself. So the rule is debit all expenses and losses. And if you are income, if you are gain, credit yourself. If your income, if your gain, credit yourself. So rule is credit all income and gain. Any problems so far? Which means expenses, losses, income and gain. Can they go to real account house or personal account house to ask whether should I debit or credit? Not allowed. These people are not allowed to enter personal account house and real account house. So they can only go to nominal account house. So all the expenses, all the losses, all the income, all the gain, you have to come to my house. Who am I? Nominal account. In my house, what is the rule? Debit all expense and losses, credit all income and gain. Okay, not okay. Okay. Online people, any problem so far? Jaydarshini video, Suhan video, Syed video, Vashni video. Now tell me people, if expenses and income are going to nominal account, what am I left with? Capital, liability, asset. So now it is the turn of asset. All the assets. All the assets. Excluding the following. All the assets excluding the following will go to real account. So all the assets will go to real account except 5 items. First one is bank. Second is debtor. Third is bills receivable. Fourth is prepaid expenses. Fifth is accrued income. Except these 5, all the other assets will go to your real account. All the other assets will go to real account. Can you please tell me all the other assets? Can you give example of all the other assets? Furniture will go to real account because furniture is not coming under the exclusion. Land will go to real account. Then cash. Is cash coming under exclusion? No, our cash will go to real account. Cash is asset. That will go to real account. Next. Stationery is expenditure. That will go to nominal account. Stationery is expenditure. That will go to nominal account. Stock, goodwill. Very good. Stock, goodwill, patent. All of this will go to real account. Got it? Not got it? So you cannot by heart the list of the asset which will come inside the real account. Better remember these 5 things which will not come in the real account. Rest all other will come in the real account. Got it? Not got it? Now you will have a doubt. Sir, why are these excluded? Logic venulla. You don't believe what I am saying. You ask reason. Give me reason for this. I'll give reason. Not now. When I come to personal account, that time I'll give you reason. Anything and everything that you do in accounts is supported by a logic. So that logic we are going to discuss. But you have to give me some time. All the assets will go to real account except bank, debtor, bills receivable, prepaid expenses, and accrued income. Got it? Not got it? Okay. So for such people, what is the rule? For such people, what is the rule, people? For real account, the rule is debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Hell no. Except Pratik, nobody gave me any other reaction. Pratik's like, what are you saying? The rule itself you changed. Everybody got convinced. What is the rule of real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. This rule is given by whom? Sir Lucadi Pacioli. Got it? Not got it? Who is he? Father of accounting. Father of accounting. Now, based on this, can we do a couple of questions? Too much of rules we don't like also, no? We'll do some questions. Apply this. Then we'll go to the last category, which is personal account category, because this is full of masala again. So before that, let's do a trial on real and nominal account. FFLA. Who is FFLA? Business. Purchased goods by paying cash rupees 20,000. FFLA purchased goods by paying cash 20,000. This is the data given to you. What is the first step? What is the first step of accounting process? Identify whether this data is a BFT or BFE. This doesn't look like an event. Event is what? Result of transaction. This looks like a transaction, but we should check whether this is transaction or not. So to check transaction, what is the procedure? It should involve exchange or transfer of what? Goods. Very good. Goods, service and funds. ரெண்டுமே இருக்கு. And it should be between two party. In that one should be business, another person should be third party. So let's say the third party is FFLA purchased goods by paying cash of rupees 20,000 from Ram. So can I say Ram is the third party? Ram is the third party. Apo this is a transaction. Okay. Once you identify a BFT, once you identify that it's a transaction, what is the next step? Check whether the financial value to it is there or not. The financial value is 20,000. And third, this is happening in the course of business. It is happening in the course of business. FFLA is purchasing for its business. Got it? Not got it? FFLA is into business of buying and selling book. In the goods is nothing but book. I'm buying the book with the intention to sell. As an academy, can I sell the book or not? Can I sell books or not? Yes, I do sell books. So it is happening in the course of business. So you have identified first thing as a BFT. First step over. Second, measure in terms of money. Means what? So this transaction, am I able to measure? Yes. 20,000 is what? Measurement value only. It's a proper measured value only. Yes. Third, check the unit of measurement. It is in rupees, means INR. Apana, I already measured in terms of money. MM means what? Measured in terms of money. Measured in money. Got it, not got it? Okay. Third, now record through journal. To record through journal. In this step, what are we supposed to check? In the BFT, you identify which account you want to record, which account you want to capture. Tell me people, which account do you want to capture? FFLA அப்படின்னு ஒரு account open பண்ணனா. In my book, I'm recording this. I'm accounting in books of FFLA. Who's doing this accounting? FFLA. என்னோட bookல என்னோட account வருமா? இப்போ நீ பேக்கரியில போற, பேக்கரிக்காரன் அவனோட own account he'll create. There's no logic, no. Account should be of whom? Third party. Different person. புரியுதா? So FFLA, the business itself will not create its own account. Reliance Industries Limited, will they create their own account called as Reliance Industries account? No. In our books of accounts, I will not create my own account. Got it, not got it? In my books of accounts, I'll always create the account of the other people with whom I deal with. With whom I deal, no? Their accounts I open in my books of accounts. And the T-shape format that I create for the other people. Got it, not got it? Okay. FFLA account, no need to open. Purchase account, do I need to open? Purchase account, do I need to open? Why? Because I need to record expenses. In business, expenditure is very important because it helps me to reduce my profit. Profit reduced up, it helps me reduce my tax. Apana, I need to book the expenses in my books of accounts. So purchase account I'll open is what I'm saying. What are you saying? Okay, va? Okay. Goods account are we supposed to open? Yes, but not during the year. Always at the end of the year. Always at the end of the year. Because a recording of goods is not a transaction. It is a event. So event is captured at the end of the year. Got it, not got it. So goods never ever you will pass the entry in form of transaction. Goods ka transaction entry will not come, not come, not come. Okay, not okay. This you have to give me some more time to make you understand. When I come to final accounts, when I teach you the entry for closing stock, that time you'll understand it better way. Okay, not okay. Okay. Next is what? Cash. Cash account do I need to open? Yes, because when I paid the cash, my physical cash reduced. Physically cash what I had in my purse, it got reduced. Apana, in my book also it has to reduce. Apana, cash account has to be opened. Cash account has to be opened. Got it, not got it. Okay. RAM account do I need to open? RAM account do I need to open? I would have opened had I not made the payment. ஒருவேளை நான் காசு கட்டல அப்படின்னா I have to pay money, no. So I need to remember his name to pay the money in future. Now that I've already paid the money to him, do I need to remember his name? Do I need to open his account? Not required. Apana, in the cash purchase, supplier ka name is not required to be remembered. His account need not be created. But if it is credit purchase aptina, I need to remember to make the payment to Ram in future. Hence, I need to open Ramka account. I need to open Ramka account. Clear or not clear? DMart. So many customers come and buy and go. Cash purchase. Do we remember the name of each and every customer? Do we open the account for each and every customer? No. So whenever we do cash transaction, we don't remember the party name. We don't remember the party name. Party name ka account, when do we open? In the credit transaction. Why? Because we have to remember their name. Got it, not got it? Okay. So now, we have identified that in this transaction, two accounts are involved. Two accounts are involved. Now, what are we supposed to do? Classify the nature of accounts. Classify the nature of accounts. Tell me, people. Purchase is what classification? Purchase is what classification? What flavor do you get from purchase? Online people. I got the answer from offline people. Online people, what is your response to it? From purchase, what flavor do you get? Hell no. Income. Expenses. It is expenditure. Very good. From cash, what flavor do you get? What is cash? It is your asset. More cash, more power. It gives you powerful feeling. Asset. Okay, not okay. Okay. Next, what are we supposed to do? Apply the rules of debit credit. Now, which rule are we going to apply? Golden rule or modern rule? Sir, modern rule we have not even taught. So first we are going to apply golden rule. So what does the golden rule say? Golden rule says that, hey, you, if you are expense, come to my house. Come to my house. Who's calling you? Who's calling you? Nominal house. Nominal house says that if you are expense, debit yourself. If you are expense, debit yourself. So in my books of accounts, purchase will be debited. Purchase will be debited. Got it, not got it. If I keep on recording more and more purchase, my purchase will increase. My purchase will increase. But debit is acting here as plus or minus. It is acting plus. Because more purchase means it will increase. Addition then increase பண்ணுது. Debit or ultimate objective என்ன? To increase. Got it, not got it. Oh. Purchase is debited. If purchase is debited, obviously cash will be opposite credit. Got it, not got it. If one account is debit அப்படின்னா, there are two accounts மொத்தமா. If one is debit, automatically opposite will be credit. But we'll not do that way. We'll understand the logic. Cash is asset classification. All the asset will go to real account except 5. Which 5? Bank, debtor, bills receivable, prepaid expenses, accrued income. In the 5 exclusion cash வருதா? இல்ல. அப்பனா cash will go to whose house? Real account. Cash is going to real account. Now, this asset, please check me whether it is coming inside the business or going outside the business. Sir, if I buy the product, I have to pay the money. If I pay money, cash is going out. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Cash is going out. Cash is going out. Give a credit. Got it, not got it. Apana my cash is reducing. Reduce means minus, decrease. Appa credit is acting here as minus. Credit is acting here as minus. Debit is acting here as plus. Sir, is it always going to be like this only? Debit will always be plus, credit will always be minus? No. It can change anyhow. It can change anyhow. It can come in any combination. There is no standard formula that if one is plus, other will be minus only. Sometimes both will be plus. Debit also plus, credit also plus. Sometimes both will be minus. Debit also minus, credit also minus. Sometimes credit will be plus and debit will be minus. It can come in any combination. So don't even think about by hearting this. This is not going to help you. Apply the rule, apply the logic. Don't sit and by heart what to add and what to minus. Sir, look at it passively did not want you to by heart plus and minus. That is why he gave the rule. Because by hearting plus and minus is very confusing. Rule is very easy to understand. Now, this is how we are going to decide which account will be debited, which account will be credited. Got it, not got it. This way, if you decide debit and credit, means you are following double entry system of accounting. You are following double entry system of accounting. Got it, not got it. Which means every transaction has got twofold effect, twofold aspect. In that one should be debit, another should be credit. So when you give an impact of debit and credit both in one single transaction, we say we are following double entry system of accounting. We say we are following double entry system of accounting. Okay, not okay. Comfortable? Not comfortable. Hell no. Comfortable? Okay. Online people comfortable, not comfortable. Priyank video, Syed video. Okay. Can we take one more example? You tell me. One example, which is pertaining to real and nominal. वो तो कल ही हो गया है, कुछ अलग करते हैं. FFLA paid salary. FFLA paid salary in form of cash. Can we do that? Okay. Okay. One salary transaction. FFLA paid rupees 15,000 as salary to Sham by way of cash. FFLA paid 15,000 as salary to Sham by way of cash. First of all, what is it? Transaction or event? It's a transaction. Is this having financial value to it? Yes, it's a financial transaction. Second, this is happening in the course of business. Salary is paid to Sham. Who Sham? Staff. So it's a BFT. Second, measure in terms of money. First, am I able to measure this properly? 15,000, am I able to measure? Yes. Second, what is the unit of measurement? INR. No need to convert. If this is in dollars, I need to convert. After conversion, next step will happen. But here, luckily, it is already given in converted form. So, already measured in terms of money. Third is record through journal. Record through journal. In that, what is the first step? In recording, what is the first step? In the BFT, identify the accounts involved. Which accounts do you want to capture? In FFLA's book of account, FFLA account I will not capture. Salary is to be captured. Why? Because salary is expenditure. So it has to be captured. I need to record my expenditure. Expenditure has to be captured. Then Sham ka account I will not capture because money is paid already. So no need to remember the person's name. Sham ka name will not be captured. Sham ka account will not be opened. Then cash will come. Cash will come. So salary is what classification? Expenditure classification. Cash is what classification? Real ka classification. Tell me people. All the expenses will go to which house? Personal, real or nominal? Nominal. What does nominal account says? Debit all expense and losses. Debit yourself. If your expenditure up na, debit yourself. Cash is asset. Cash is asset. All the asset is real account. All the asset is real account except bank, debtor, bills receivable, prepaid expenses, accrued income. Idhila cash is not coming. So cash is real account. What is the rule of real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So cash is coming inside the business or going out? So if I pay, cash is going out. So credit what goes out. Credit what goes out. 2 minutes, I'll tell. Credit what goes out. Okay, not okay. So salary is debited, cash is credit. Is okay, va? Now, we'll do personal account. Then we'll come back and do more examples. Okay, va? Is so far clear, no? Okay. Now, people, expenses and income is gone to nominal account. Okay, va? asset except those 5, it is gone to real. But who's remaining? So that 5 asset and capital liability. Those 5 assets and capital liability இதான் பெண்டிங் இருக்கு. Out of 3 houses, if 2 houses over na, இந்த மீதி இருக்க மக்கள் எங்க போவாங்க? All of these remaining people go where? To personal account. They'll go to personal account. Got it? Not got it. So all the liabilities and capital, I'm putting this in green, including including, including the following. What is excluded there? It is included here. Which are they? Bank. Then debtor. Don't say debtor. Debtor illa. Debtor. B silent. Debtor. No, it's debtor. Not debtor. Debtor. Monkey. Bills receivable. Prepaid expenses. Then accrued. ACCRUED. Accrued income. Now what all this? We have to explain. Don't worry. So for all of this, the rule is debit the receiver and credit the giver. Credit the giver. Got it? Not got it? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Now one disclaimer. In the personal account is there? No. This personal account is from opposite person point of view. It is from opposite person point of view. Apply this from the point of view of opposite person, not from the business point of view. Not from the business point of view. Ana, these both are there. No. These both are there. No. Apply these rule. Apply these rule from business point of view. Now what this is, you'll understand in some time. Give me some time. Adavadhu, the first two rule we studied, no, what is that? Nominal and real. Apply this from business point of view. For business, it is expense or income. For business, money is coming in or going out. So it is from business point of view. So cash went out from the business. So it is from business point of view, cash went out. Not from the employee point of view. So I am paying salary cash appadina, salary is received by employee. So I'm not looking from that person's point of view. Cash going out from whose point of view? Business point of view. Cash going out from whose point of view? Business point of view. Okay, not okay. Which means when you apply the real account ka rule and nominal account ka rule, you see from the business point of view. Whereas personal account, you cannot see from the business point of view. It is always from the opposite person's point of view. Why it is? You'll understand in some time. Got it? Not got it? Now, for personal account, the rule is debit the receiver, credit the giver. Now, under this, there are 3 sub-classifications. Can I erase this part if you're okay? Or else I'll remove it. Under personal account people, there are 3 sub-classification. First is called as natural personal account. What is it called as? Natural personal account. Next is artificial personal account. And third is representative personal account. REPRESENTATIVE personal account. Have you come across this term? All of you? This is over in school, no? Sunday morning. I know it is painful to sit and answer. Equally painful for me also, especially with the headache I'm having. Please cooperate. This is done in school. No, what is happening in school there right now? The chapter 1, 2, 3, 5 is going on. Huh? Okay. Okay. For others, those who have done, you know this, no? Okay. Tell me, people, what is natural personal account? What is natural personal account? Very good. Natural personal account means all human being, which is nothing but creation of God. So whenever you deal with any human being, in the business, they are called as natural personal account. Whenever you deal with anybody in business, they are called as natural personal account. Got it? Not got it? I'll give example. Don't worry. Goods purchased on credit from Mr. Ram. Goods purchased on credit from Mr. Ram. Okay. What transaction this is? It's a purchase transaction. In purchase, is it cash transaction or credit transaction? It is credit transaction. Means what? Sir, we purchase the goods, sir, but we have not paid the money. When will you pay then? In future. Anything that you pay in future is liability. Apana, Mr. Ram is a liability here. What is the name of liability here? Mr. Ram is creditor. Mr. Ram is creditor. So Mr. Ram is creditor. Creditor means liability. All the liability will go to personal account. All the liability will go to personal account. All the liability, capital, and those five assets will go to personal account. Now, in personal account, Ram is natural or artificial or representative. Ram is what? Creation of God. He's human being. So Ram is categorized as natural personal account. Got it? Not got it? Well, no. No. No problem in this now? Super. Next is artificial person. Artificial person. What is artificial person? All entities created by law. All the entities, any kind of entity you say, sole proprietorship concern, partnership concern, LLP, OPC, that is one person company, private company, public company, trust, society, association of person, body of individual, whatever you say, all these are entity, organization, enterprise, which is created by us through law. We have created them. FFLA, who created? Law is created. Mukesh Ambani's company, Reliance Industries Limited, who created? Company law created. So if any entity is created by law, we call them as artificial person. Now my question to all of you, why do we call them as artificial person? அதாவது ஒரு கம்பெனி, ஒரு என்டிட்டி, அதுக்கு பேர் என்டிட்டி ஆல்ரெடி இருக்குல்ல. Why do we call them as artificial person? No, he's selling business and owner are not the same. That's why the business owner both are not same. That's why to create a difference, what I'm saying, owner is owner, business is entity. Now, why that entity is called as artificial person? Why do you call him as an artificial person? Why person? Created by human being. Why? Why? Sajay is saying something. One second.
Because created by human being and
எதுக்கு அது கிரியேட் பண்ணி அதுக்கு பேர் வந்து ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் பர்சன் எதுக்கு வேணும் நமக்கு? What are we going to achieve by that? One second, online, one second. Why there is a status of artificial person given by law? You can call entity itself, no. அது எதுக்கு artificial person create பண்றீங்க name? Why artificial person name is given to them? You could have called them entity, no? Entity na record agada. Even if it is entity, still I'll record, no? Or will Mukesh Ambani company say, no, since you did not call me artificial person, I will not record myself. As an entity, I'll not record myself. Will the company say like that? No. அப்போ ஒரு என்டிட்டியை நீ ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் பர்சனா டிக்ளேர் பண்ணி எதுக்கு ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ற? அவனோட பேர் ஏன் ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் பர்சனா மாத்திருக்கேன் நீ? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் வை அகைன் ஐம் ஆஸ்கிங் क्वेश्चन. எஸ் ஆன்லைன். அதாவது அவனை என்டிட்டின்னு சொல்லிக்கலாம்ல, அவனை வந்து ஒரு பர்சனா கூப்பிடணும் என்ன அவசியம் உனக்கு? அதுவும் ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் பர்சன்றீங்க ஏன்பா? If you don't call this as artificial person, you will not be able to digest food. Tell me. Why do we call this as artificial person? Why? ஸ்கூல்ல கேட்கலையே. Think. Okay, I'll tell the reason. In India, if you want to buy property, sell property, it can be only be dealt with person, because a person has to sign the document. You buy a land, அப்படின்னா seller has to sign, buyer has to sign. Who seller and buyer? Person. Which person? Natural person. அப்போ a natural person is capable of buying and selling anything in his own name. Got it? Not got it? Tell no. For me to sign the document, signature should be there. Signature of natural person. Person signature should be there. Yes or no? Now I want to buy land, not in my personal name. I want to buy the land in the name of business. I want to buy the land in the name of business. Fortune's Fun Learning Academy. For this academy, I want to buy one land. On that land, I want to build a building. Got it? Not got it? அப்ப land வந்து யார் பேர்ல வாங்கணும் நானு? In the name of entity. Okay, forget all that. All of you are investor, not student. All of you are investor. You are telling, sir, you run this academy, sir. We will all give you 1 crore rupees investment. With this 1 crore rupees each, you buy land, you construct own building, and you run academy. We will invest and support you. Okay, wow. I'm buying land. I'm buying land in my name. Will you be okay with it? இப்போ மண்டை டக்கு டக்குன்னு ஆடுது. You are telling, sir, you buy land. I'm telling I'll buy land in my personal name. You're not okay. Why are you not okay? Very good. So now, if the land is in name of the company அப்படின்னா, நாளைக்கு ஒரு வேளை நான் கம்பெனி க்ளோஸ் பண்ணா அந்த லேண்ட் வித்தா அதோட ப்ராஃபிட் தானா இதுல வரணும், கம்பெனிக்கு வரும். But if I take that land in my personal name, if I sell it, that will belong to me. All the rights of land comes to me. Your money I'm using to buy land in my name அப்படின்னா investor will not be comfortable. Got it? Not got it? So investor will insist that no. This land should be in the name of company. All the contracts should be signed by the company. Now the problem is, how will company sign? Because company is not a person. So we were forced to make company a person. The law said that, hey, you company, from today onwards, you are a person. Like that, we declared the opposite person as a person, not person. We declared the opposite company as a person. Got it? Not got it? Now that law is told that company, you are a person. The company has become artificial person capable of buying the assets in its own name, selling the asset in own name. Sir, how will still company sign, sir? By common seal. What is common seal? In 12th, I'll make you understand. So company's got its seal. That seal is the company's signature. Got it? Not got it? But that signature also, I as a managing director, only I have to put no. Correct na? But I'm putting on behalf of the company as a guardian. Correct? Still, if I put the seal is of whose name? Company's name. Appo company is a person here, capable of buying the land, selling the land in its own name. Got it? Not got it? Tell no. Okay, va. Like that, I can give one more example also. Court case, it's very common today in multiple businesses. Do you agree? This one will file the case on this person. That person will file the case on this person. It is very common. Yes or no? Filing a case on somebody is very common. Yes or no? Okay. Now, you guys are, imagine the business owner, managing director. Yes or no? Okay. Now, in your business, you have multiple staff, multiple employee. Some staff or some employee has misbehaved with the customer, or behaved rudely with the customer, or gave the wrong product, fought with the customer. Now customer got pissed off. He wants to come and file a case. Abdina, as a owner, will you say the customer, oh, file the case on me, I'll take care of it? If the customer files the case on managing director, owner directly, will the owner be comfortable? So many owners are there. In partnership business, multiple owners. In companies, multiple owners. So if any one of the representative of the company is making mistake, if the customer wants to file a case, filing on that particular person is better, or filing on the company is better? Because that person who has done the mistake is representing a company. So when you declare an entity as an artificial person, Now that customer can file a case on the company because company is a artificial person. You can file a case only on a person. Got it, not got it. Because see, ultimately, if something is wrong apdina, if court is punishing apdina, that individual person who made the mistake only will be punished. But filing the case, in the charge sheet, the name will be of company. Got it, not got it. It will not be your individual name. I'm just telling at superficial level. So if you are an artificial person, you can file case on somebody. As a company, you can file case on somebody, or somebody else can file case on company. This is possible only when the entity is declared as person. This is possible only when entity is declared as person. So by becoming a person, you have a lot of advantages. That's why they decided that, okay, let's call company as a person. Let's call entity as a person. But they are not natural person. They are artificial person. They are artificial person. Got it, not got it. Once again, people. Vanda. Upload. So all the entities created by law are called as artificial person. Artificial person. Sir, can you give example of this? Same example, copy paste. Goods purchased. We are purchasing goods. Who are we? Business. Goods purchased on credit from Reliance Industries Limited. Reliance Industries Limited is a company, public limited company. Is it a natural person? No, it is a artificial person. So Reliance Industries Limited is called as creditor. What is it called as? Creditor. Why it is called as creditor? Because we have to make the payment to Reliance in future. Anything that we pay in future is liability. So creditor is liability. Got it, not got it. So here Mr. Ram is a natural person and Reliance Industries Limited is a artificial person. Got it, not got it. Clear or not clear? Now, third comes representative personal account. Third comes representative personal account. What is meant by representative? What is meant by representative? It means representing a group of people. It means representing a group of people. Here, four things will come. Outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, accrued income, unearned income. Unearned income. Now, what is meant by representative personal account? I'll give only one example. Rest I'll discuss in the upcoming sessions. One example mattum kodukren. Outstanding expenses. Okay, va? Only one example I'll give you at the moment. All of you know that companies have different policy for making the payment of salary. Some company says that I'll pay the salary at the month end. What is today? June. Today 28 June. Okay, va? What is the month end date? June end date another. 30 June. Some companies, they make the payment of salary on 30 June itself. Some company will make the payment month end itself. All the big companies who's got good technology in place, who's got good team in place, who's got a lot of money, they'll make the payment month end. Same month end itself, they'll make the payment. But some company will not be able to make the payment of June month on 30th June. They will need additional few days to make the payment. So some companies say that I'll make the payment of salary after 5 days. I'll make the payment of salary after 5 days. So 5th of July, I'll make the payment. 5th of July, I'll make the payment. How many days extra they're taking? 5 days. Why are they taking extra 5 days? Why are they taking extra 5 days? When company like Reliance Industries Limited is able to make the payment on 30 June itself, then why am I not paying on 30 June itself? One reason rightly said, sir, I'm falling short of funds. So 30 June, why I'm not able to pay salary to my staff? Who am I? FFLA. Why am I not able to pay the money to my staff is because I will collect money from students only on 1st July, 2nd July, 3rd July, 4th July. Only when I collect the money from the students, I'll be able to have the funds in hand to make the payment. This could be one reason. Okay, not okay. Okay. Second reason, I'm not having proper technology. So now, after 30 June, my HR will sit and calculate which staff has come for which day, how many days, which staff was absent. And for people, those who are taking leave, we will minus salary. Appo salary calculation will take time. But in case of Reliance, it is not a problem because everything is system driven. Attendance is biometric. Salary calculation immediately through software. One button you press, salary calculated. Because I've invested lakhs and lakhs of money in the payroll processing system. I did not invest that much money. I have to do manual calculation. That will require time. So there is n number of reason I can tell you because of which some entity make the payment on 5th of July. Yes or no? Okay, wow. Now tell me people. I have a total of 10 employee. How many employees? 10 employee. Each employee salary for the month of June. June month salary is 10,000 rupees. How much it is? 10,000. What is my total salary payment? 1 lakh is total salary payment. Okay, wow. Now tell me people, this 1 lakh ka entry recording when I should do? I will record a salary entry, no? Salary I should record as expense, no? I will record as salary expenses for which month? June month or July month? Tell me. நான் கேட்குற கேள்வி புரியுதா? ஜூன் மந்தோட salary அதாவது from 1st of June to 30th of June my employees work for 30 days. புரியுதா? Salary for this period is 1 lakh. But payment of 1 lakh I'm making when? 5th of July. 5th of July only from my bank account money is going out. From my bank account money is going out on 5th of July. Now the question is, this 1 lakh rupees, should I record on 30 June or should I record on 5th of July? As expenditure, when should I record? Every transaction has got two effects. Every transaction has got two effects. So one effect is 1 lakh salary expenses. Another effect is bank. So when should I record my salary? 30th June or 5th of July? Which means I'm getting two answers. Some people are saying 5th of July. Some people are saying 30 June, which means difference of opinion is there. When does the difference of opinion comes? When does difference of opinion come? When your understanding is different from the other person understanding. Now, why is understanding difference? Because the base is not clear. The rule is not clear. If rule is clear, all of you will give me one single answer. Got it, not got it. I'll tell you right now. It's because of the matching concept. Matching concept says that record expenditure in that period, for which period the benefit is received. உன்னோட 10 எம்ப்ளாயி எந்த மாசத்துல ஒர்க் பண்ணா? ஜூன் மாதத்துல. Benefit you receive from the employee which month? June month. அப்போ expenditure also should be recorded in June month. Which concept this is? Matching concept. Which principle it is? Matching principle. Matching principle says that record expenditure in that period. In which period the benefit is derived. In which period the benefit is derived. Here, I got the benefit from 10 staff. In which period? June month, June period. So I should record salary entry on June. But the problem is, what entry should I pass? What entry should I pass? It's outstanding. Repeat it, outstanding. Now, you don't know the entry. I've not taught you entry also. I'm telling you. I've not taught you entry because entry will come only after 3-4 classes. But I'm putting entry for your, what do you call it? Understanding. Just on 30 June, you know what entry I'll pass? Salary expenditure, I will debit. On 30th June, did I make the payment? On 30th June, did I make the payment? No. But on 30th June, am I supposed to make the payment? Am I liable to make the payment? Yes, because when a staff is working from 1 June to 30 June, when you got the benefit, it is your obligation to pay money. Yes or no? Or chinna example kudukuren. My son, I took him to the departmental store. All of you know that this departmental store people have an what do you call it? Tactics. Correct on the billing counter irukku illaya? And the billing counter pakkathula they'll keep some what do you call stand, chocolate stand. And correctly to their height only they'll keep the stand, chocolates, which is easily accessible. He will take the chocolate and he'll say, "This I want." So my son, one day, I took him to one departmental store. Dairy milk was placed. He took it. He said, "I want it." I said, "No." He kept it back. Just because he took the dairy milk in hand and kept it back, am I supposed to make the payment for the dairy milk? No. Appana enoda obligation trigger avala. Obligation not triggered. But what he did, no. He took dairy milk, wrapper slightly torn it. He tore the wrapper slightly. Can you keep the chocolate back? No, what will the shopkeeper say? For this, you have to pay money. Apana, he has done some act. He has done some act which has triggered the liability. Got it, not got it. In the same way here, employee, my 10 staff has worked for 30 days. 1 June to 30 June, 30 days has worked. Apana, am I supposed to pay the money or not? Do I have the obligation to pay or not? Yes. Ana, I didn't pay the money because I don't have the money. But liabilities there or not there? Appo, liability has to be created. உனக்கு தெரியாது நான் சொல்றேன். Just by heart as of now. In the days to come, you'll get clear. So salary expenses debited means I have to create a liability by giving a credit. And this is called as outstanding salary. Outstanding salary means what? It is a liability, which means what? I have to pay this money in future. That is what this means. Outstanding means what? Yet to pay. Outstanding means what? Yet to pay. Yet to pay salary. Appo when will I pay? In future. Anything that I pay in future is liability. Appana, this entry has to be passed. On what date? 30th of June. Got it, not got it. Now, salary expenditure is what classification? Salary expenditure is what classification? Salary expenditure what classification? Personal year or nominal? Nominal, because salary is expenditure. Expenditure will go to which house? Nominal house. What is the rule of nominal house? Debit all expense and losses. Hence I've debited. Okay. Outstanding salary, what it is? Liability. Outstanding salary means what? Liability. Outstanding enna artham? Yet to pay. Yet to pay. Outstanding ka meaning is yet to pay salary. Yet to pay means when will I pay? In future. Anything that I pay in future is liability. All the liability will come under which classification? Personal account. In personal, what classification? Representative personal account. Got it, not got it. Why representative? Because this 1 lakh salary is representing not 1%, 10%. It is representing 10 people. It represents group of people. Hence, it is called as representative personal account. You will not know. I'm telling you, many people at the 12th grade level, foundation level, intermediate level, they're not able to explain what is representative personal account. And nobody teaches also. They just tell under representative, these 4 items will come or 6 items will come. Remember, but nobody will explain you what is meant by representative. Representative personal account means it's a personal account represented by group of multiple people. It's not one person. இங்க பாரு. In the natural personal account, Mr. Ram is a single person. Single natural person. Reliance Industries Limited, single artificial person. Whereas outstanding expenses, group of multiple employee. How many employee? 10 natural employee. So it is representative account, represented by multiple people. Got it, not got it. Tell no. Only people. Now got it, not got it. Tell. In this, 2 more things will come. Bills receivable and bills payable. 6 items will come in representative account because bills receivable is nothing but debtor. Debtor who has signed the agreement. Debtor who signed the agreement, who has promised to pay. So BR account is not for 1%. It is group of multiple debtor. Multiple debtor. Got it, not got it. Hence we put them under representative personal account. So whenever any personal account is represented by group of multiple people, we put them under representative personal account. If any person is only represented by one individual, abdina, they are either natural or artificial. Got it, not got it. Tell me no. Comfortable so far? Now, in the point, whatever I discuss about the salary, I have a lot of information to share. I only shared that much information which is required to understand the representative personal account. Ana, inga nariya vishayam share pannom, which I'll not share now. In the upcoming classes, we'll discuss about outstanding salary, prepaid salary or prepaid expenses, accrued income, unearned income. In depth, we'll discuss. Not just in one place, I'll discuss in 2 places. One in the chapter of journal, I'll discuss. Second time, I'll discuss more in depth in the final accounts. In 2 places, we'll discuss. And this is a tricky point in the entire 11th standard. People make a lot of mistakes here, and this has got a carry forward impact in your 12th standard. So this, you have to get a proper grip of it. Got it, not got it. Okay. Now, can we do one question to apply? Idhe question eduthalam. Same question, will take it. Goods purchased on credit. Goods purchased on credit from Ram. My first question to all of you. Is this a transaction or not? Is this a transaction or not? How do you say this is a transaction? Sir, goods involved, sir. Between 2 party, one business, another is third party. Who is the third party? Mr. Ram. So it's a transaction. Goods purchased on credit. from Mr. Ram for rupees 1 lakh. Okay, wow. So financial value involved. So it's a financial transaction. And this is happening in the course of business. So it's a BFT. Next is what? Measurement in terms of money. One, is this 1 lakh measurable? Yes. Second, is it in the form of INR? Yes. Upon measured in terms of money. Third, identify accounts involved. In this transaction, which account I need to capture in my books of accounts? I said goods will never come. Goods will never come in the recording stage. Always will come at the end of the year. Purchase I need to record because it is my expenditure. So I'll capture this. Then Mr. Ram, do you need to remember? Do I need to open Mr. Ram account? Do I need to open Mr. Ram account like T-share format? Why? Because I have to pay the money in future. Upon I have to remember. And we are Gajani people. If I don't make a note, I'll forget. So to remember, we have to create Mr. Ram account. Upon 2 account identified. Super. So my question to all of you. Purchase is what classification? What classification? Expenditure. Got it. Not got it. Okay. Mr. Ram, what classification? Mr. Ram is creditor because we have to make the payment to creditor. Mr. Ram is that person from whom we have purchased goods on credit. He's supplier. We call him accounts as creditor. Creditor is that person to whom we owe the money for purchase of goods on credit. Creditor ka classification? Liability. I have to pay this money in future. It is liability. All the liabilities will go to your personal account. Very good. Personal account. Which personal account? Ram is natural. So it is natural person account. Got it. Not got it. I told you, when you apply the real ka rule, nominal ka rule, it is from whose point of view? From whose point of view? It is from business point of view. For expenses, it is nominal. Am I right? Okay. Nominal account. For real and nominal, from whose point of view will apply the rule? From whose point of view? Business point of view. This is from business viewpoint. This is from third party viewpoint. Third party viewpoint. From business viewpoint, this is expenditure. From business, it is expenditure. No. Na பொருள் buy பண்ணிருக்கேன். I have expended the money அப்படினா for me it is expenditure. So this is expenditure for me only. No. For whom? Business. What is the rule? For nominal account. Debit all expense and losses. This will be debited. Okay, not okay. Okay. Natural personal account. What is the golden rule? What is the rule? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. From whose point of view? Third party viewpoint. Opposite person viewpoint. Ram or viewpoint. Is he the receiver or giver? Think from Ram viewpoint. Opposite person viewpoint. He is giver of the goods. He is giver of the goods. You are buying the goods. Business is purchasing the goods. Appo, I am taking the goods. Business is taking goods. Appo, who's giving the goods? Who's giving the goods? Ram. So, our point of view is a giver. From his point of view is a giver. So, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Whose point of view? Ram point of view. Third party point of view. He's the giver. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So, I have to give a credit. Got it. Not got it. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Giver from whose point of view? Receiver, giver. Opposite person point of view. Clear or not clear? So expenses will be debited. Ram will be credited. So entry will be purchase account debit. Ram account credit. Now the format I'll teach you when I do journal. As of now, what am I teaching? What account will be debited? What account will be credited? Got it. Not got it. Okay. Now tell me, in this debit is acting as plus or minus? Sir, more I debit means more purchases will increase. More purchase apna, more expenses. Apana debit is acting as plus. Credit is acting here as plus only. Because more I buy from Ram, more I have to pay to Ram. Innik 1 lakh vaangirken. Thiruppi naalik 1 lakh vaangna, further credit 1 lakh. So total credit becomes what? 2 lakh. So debit is acting as plus here. Credit also is acting as plus. So can we sit in by heart? When will debit act as vertical plus? When will credit act as plus? Can we sit in by heart? Not possible. No need to remember also. Sir Lucchetti Pasquale did not want to give stress to you. He said, my students, very difficult to remember when to add, when to minus. I will give you rule. You apply the rule of debit and credit, automatically plus and minus will happen. I've created a new format designed in such a way that you don't have to take the stress of deciding what to add and what to minus. You just follow my rule and my process. Automatically you'll add, automatically you'll minus. No need to sit and add and minus. Okay, not okay. Now, next transaction. You purchase from RAM on credit. Now we are making payment. But what is the transaction going to be? Rupees 1 lakh paid in cash to Mr. Ram. இப்போ நீ கிரெடிட்ல goods வாங்கினல்ல, the goods what you purchase on credit, no. Now to that person we're making payment. After 1 month we're making payment. Okay, not okay. Okay. First of all, is this a transaction or not? Is it a transaction? Yes, because it involves transfer of funds. So it is a transaction, and this is involving between two party. One is business, another is third party Ram. So it is a transaction, and in this money is involved, and this is happening in course of business. So this is BFT. Second, is it measured in terms of money? Yes, 1 lakh is measurable, and that too it is in INR. It is measured in terms of money. Third, in this transaction, identify accounts involved. Sir, I'm paying cash, sir. My physical cash will reduce. Apana bookla irukka cash will reduce pannom. So cash has to be accounted, sir. Next, Mr. Ram, because in my balance sheet on the liability side, Ram is sitting. I will get money. Today I paid money. So say him Tata bye bye. I have to remove Ram from my books of accounts. Got it? Not got it? So another account that I'll open is Ram account. So two accounts I will open. Tell no. Okay, va? Okay. Tell me, people, cash is personal, real, or nominal? Okay, before that. Classification. What classification? Is it expense, income, gain, loss, asset, liability, capital? What is it? It is asset. And Mr. Ramas, creditor means liability. Okay, not okay. All the asset will go to real account, except bank, debtor, bills receivable, prepaid expenses, accrued income. Except all this five, everything will go to real account. So cash is not coming under the exception. So cash is real account. Creditor, liability will go to personal account. But now Mr. Ram is natural or artificial or representative? It is natural. So it is natural. Personal account. Got it? Not got it? Now in real account, what is the rule that you have to follow? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Here cash is coming in or going out. So if I pay the money, cash is going out. So debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So I will credit. Any problem here? So cash in this transaction will be credited. Credit means here plus or minus. Credit here means if I pay the money, my cash balance is reducing. If I pay money, my physical cash will reduce. Upon a credit is acting here as minus. Got it? Not got it? When I come to modern rule, this plus and minus will become more clear to you. When I come to modern rule, you'll get even more better clarity about plus and minus. Got it? Not got it? Okay. This real account, what you said, no, is from whose point of view? Business point of view. Whereas personal account is from whose point of view? Third party point of view. So third party is either receiver or giver. Idhula enna avudhu? Cash is getting received and given. Appo Ram point of view, third party point of view. Is he the receiver of the cash or the giver of the cash? Is receiving cash. Na kudukra appadina, if I am giving cash means Ram is receiving. From Ram's point of view, third party point of view, it is receiver. So what is the rule here? Debit the receiver. So debit I've given. Got it? Not got it? So if one is credit, another automatically becomes debit. Debit is here plus or minus. Debit is minus because earlier I had to pay 1 lakh rupees to Ram. The moment I pay, I'll minus the amount. So debit is minus here. The moment I put debit here, Ram ka balance will reduce. In the payment pandradhukku munadi, how much money should I give to Ram? 1 lakh. After making payment, how much money should I give? 0. From 1 lakh to 0, is it increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. So debit is acting as minus. Got it? Not got it? In modern rule, we'll discuss more about increase, decrease. Yen theriyuma? In entire modern rule, it is based on increase, decrease, full logical it is. So through golden rule, somewhat I'm trying to initiate in your mind modern rule. Got it, not got it. Now, listen to me very carefully. I'm telling you one point. In the exam, if they ask you to classify the nature of accounts as per golden rule, don't say asset, liability, capital, expense, income. Classification as per golden rule apnina, it is three things only: personal, real, nominal. Inside your mind, you classify it as asset, liability, capital, etc., etc. Okay, wow. If they ask you classify this account as per golden rule, means it is always personal, real, and nominal. Okay, not okay. It is I who put in your mind the concept of asset, liability, expense, income. Yen theriyuma? Adha modern rule. So in exam, if they ask you classify these accounts as per golden rule apnina, don't classify as asset, liability, expense, income. What will you classify this as? Personal, real, and nominal. But personal, real, and nominal, with what help can you classify? With the help of asset, liability, expenses, income. Purijida? So indirectly, I put one seed in your mind. Without that, you cannot classify. Without that, you cannot classify golden rule. Purijida? Tell me, people. Since I said all the asset is going to real account, you said okay, cash is real account. Had I not told you this asset classification, you will sit and literally by heart. Okay, this all will come under real account. This all will come under nominal account. You'll sit and by heart. So I didn't want you to by heart. So I gave the concept in your head. Got it, not got it. This will make your life more easier. This will make your life more easier. Clear or not clear? Okay. Now the question is, sir, idella okay, sir. Those 5 items are there, no? Those 5 items are there, no? Why these assets were removed from real account? Why these assets were removed from real account? First, let's talk about bank. Bank is an entity. Bank is an entity. It is artificial personal account. Artificial personal account. Artificial personal account. Hence, bank is removed from real account. It is taken to the personal account. Where in personal account? Artificial personal account. Bank can never be natural. All the bank, you take Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI, any kind of financial institutions or bank, they are always entity created by law. Hence, they are artificial person. Artificial person where they should go to personal account. Hence, they got removed from real account house. Hence, they got removed from real account house. Next, debtor. Who's debtor? Customer. Who's debtor? Customer. My customer can either be a natural person or artificial person. I sold my goods to Ram. Who's Ram? Customer. Who's Ram? Natural person. Got it, not got it. Hence, natural person will go to personal account. I may also sell goods to whom? Reliance Industries. I'm selling goods to Reliance Industries. Who's Reliance Industries? My customer. I've sold on credit. So, Reliance Industries is my debtor. So, he can also be artificial person. Got it, not got it? Hell no. Who's BR? BR also is customer. Debtor also is customer. But between entity and debtor, there is no agreement. But in case of BR, between the entity and the customer, there is a signed contract, signed agreement. So it is more secured. Got it, not got it. Now, this BR is not one person. This BR is a broad category which has got multiple persons in it. Hence, we call this as representative personal account. Representative personal account. If BR is only one party, which is Reliance Aptina, then this BR becomes your artificial person. If BR is only one person, which is human being Aptina, then that BR becomes natural person. Got it, not got it. I'm teaching you how to differentiate things. Prepaid expenses accrued income is representing always a group of people. So these both are representative personal account. Hence, since all these 5 accounts are having the flavor of personal account, I cannot put them under real account. I'm forced to put them under personal account. Got it, not got it. Hence, these 5 were excluded from the real account. Okay, not okay. Hell no. This much masala did you get to see anywhere? This much in-depth explanation anywhere? Tell me no. One and only. Nobody else. Clap no. Ah. Can we do illustration 1? Can we do illustration 1? Yes. In that, few things I'll do today, few things I'll do next class. Easy ones I'll do today. Tough ones next class. Okay, not okay. Because today freshly I've learned the rule. You have to be very careful. Classify the following accounts into personal, real, and nominal. This is as per which rule? Golden rule, also called as traditional approach. So tell me, people, cash is personal, real, or nominal? First, you say cash is coming under what classification? Asset. Asset. This classification, what I said, asset, liability, capital, expense, income, is not golden classification. It is modern rule classification. So I'm using modern rule as a tool to make you understand golden rule. Got it? Not got it? So first you will say cash is asset. All the asset will go to where? Real account, except those five. In that five, does cash come? No. Upper cash is your real account. In exam, will you write asset income? No. Asset you keep in your mind. Asset you keep in your mind. What will you ultimately write and come? Real account. So cash is real account. Got it? Not got it? Tell no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, bank. Bank. Bank is my asset. Bank is my asset. Why bank balance is asset? Because it's my money with the bank. Whenever I ask, banker will give me in future. So anything that I receive in future is asset. So bank balance is asset. All the assets are real account except bank. Except bank. But bank is not real account. So bank will go where? Personal account. Which personal account? Artificial personal account. Got it? Not got it? So bank is personal account. Outstanding salary. Outstanding means what? Yet to pay salary. Yet to pay na, not yet paid. When will I pay? In future. Anything that I pay in future is liability. Apana, this is liability. This is liability. All the liabilities will go to personal account. In person, this outstanding salaries represent a group of people. If I have not paid salary means it's not paid to one person. It is not paid to any employee. So in an organization, if there are multiple people, those are called as representatives of salaries. Got it? Not got it? So this is representative personal account. Outstanding salaries, representative personal account. Got it? Not got it? Personal account. Two people online left the meeting. Donkey people. Others switch off the video also. Jaydarshini no video. Shreyang no video. Suhan no video. Syed no video. सो रहे सब. क्या बोला? सो रहे जैसे तू सो रहा अभी. Now sales. What flavor are you getting? More sale, more income. More sale, more income. So I'm getting the flavor of income. All the income will go to my house. Who am I? Nominal account. Nominal account. So sales is nominal. Sales is nominal. Accrued interest. I told you to buy it as of now. 6 category, which will come under representative. Outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, accrued income, interest income, accrued income, then unearned income, BRBP. This 6 alone you buy it as of now. As and when I discuss the concept in future, automatically logic will set in your mind. It is too early for me to discuss all the logic. When the right time comes, logic will be discussed. As of now, accrued interest, your representative personal account. Representative personal account. Okay, not okay. If you're not interested, I can stop the class here. I have no problem. Give your head pain. Next class I've cancelled. Mudila. I'm sitting and taking class for whom? Whom? What are you supposed to do? What are you supposed to do? Respond. Where is the response? Response. Ever? Response कहाँ है? Response जल्दी. Kerala Malayalam based हैं, Tamil based हैं, Kannada based हैं. Next class में Telugu बंदरो. Telugu anybody? Tell. What do you say in Telugu? ये तमिल है ये. Respond. चाहिए Tamil. Are cheating this is. Yeah, I will. You don't know Telugu properly. Anybody Telugu here? Nobody. Response चाहिए correct? Any online people Telugu? Some student is teaching me wrong language. It's correct? Sorry, okay. I'm keeping this as pending. I'll do it tomorrow. Okay, va? Drawings also I'm keeping pending. Discount receipt also pending. Bad debt also pending. I'm doing easy ones today. Purchases, tell me people. Purchases expense ka flavor. Okay, wow. All the expenses will go to nominal account. So this is nominal. Expenses, purchases, nominal. Okay, bad debt recovered, keep it pending. Plant and machinery. Plant and machinery, asset. All the asset will go to real account except bank. Pai sollu fulla. Bank, debtor, bills receivable, prepaid expenses, accrued income. You ask your friends, except 5ங்கிறது ஒன்றும் தெரியாதுன்னு மாமன் சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்க மாட்டாங்க. So this is your real account because this does not come under exception. So this is your real account. This is your real account. Got it? Not got it? Plant and machinery. See, bank also asset, no. But bank மட்டும் அங்க போகுது. Plant and machinery is coming here. So on what basis have they segregated? That logic I gave you today, which nobody knows. Hell no. Capital is a classification in itself. So all the liability and capital go to personal account. Now, capital is contributed by owner. Owner is human being. Apana natural personal account. Got it? Not got it? Okay. So it is natural personal account. Capital is natural personal account. I think we can do drawings also. Drawings means what? Drawings is of two types. One is personal drawing, one is impersonal drawing. இது எப்போட நான் டீச் பண்ணேன்? When did I teach you this? Very good. இவன் ஒருத்தனா நான் சமத்தான பையன். நீ எல்லாம் தத்தி ஃபெல்லோ. Clap for him. CA कर रहा है? Very good. Daddi people, daddi. Drawings is of two types. One is against profit. Second is against capital. Drawings means what? Cash, goods or asset. Cash, goods or asset withdrawn by the owner for personal purpose. Got it? Not got it? Appana, this drawings is done by whom? Owner is natural personal account. So this is natural personal account. Got it? Not got it? Interest paid. I'm paying interest means I've taken loan from bank. I have to pay interest. Appa interest என்னோட செலவு, expense. So interest is nominal account. Very good. Interest paid is expense, nominal account. Bank overdraft, keep it pending. Prepaid expenses. Prepaid. It's a group of people. Prepaid rent அப்படின்னா representative personal account. It's asset only. But it is excluded from the real account. So it goes to your representative personal account. So prepaid is your representative personal account. Got it? Not got it? Hell no. Yes, bank OD is kept pending, no? Okay. Carriage inward. Carriage is nothing but transportation charges. Now, why it is called as inward? Some place it will be carriage inward. Some place it will be carriage outward. This you will understand properly only when I do your profit and loss account. In the final accounts, that time I'll give you the meaning of what is carriage inward, what is carriage outward. As of now, understand that carriage inward and carriage outward both are expenditure. Ana, both has got two different meaning. In accounting, it has got two different treatment. So treatment, I will tell you only in the final accounts. As of now, I can only tell you that whether you come across carriage inward or outward, it is nothing but transportation charges. Appadina expenses. Expenses means nominal account. Got it? Not got it? Goodwill is asset. Intangible asset. Now, why it is asset? Why it is intangible? You have to wait for 1 year. In 12th standard, chapter 2 of partnership is fully about goodwill. There in depth I'll discuss about goodwill. But as of now, remember, this is your intangible asset. All assets are real except those 5. In that 5, goodwill is not coming. Appo goodwill is your real account. Got it? Not got it? So remaining 2-3 items are there, sir. That also finish it, no? Can I finish it off? Okay. முடிச்சிடலாமா? ஒரே question முடிச்சிடலாம். What am I left with? Bank OD I'm left with. அவ்வளவுதானா? Okay. Leasehold property. Accrued interest over. Classification over. Meaning I went to discuss. Classification over. He's talking about meaning. Meaning I'll discuss in future. Leasehold property. Now, listen to me. Property அப்படின்னா either land or building. Example I'm telling. It can be anything else also. இது ரெண்டு இருக்கு இல்லையா? Can be of two type. One is freehold property. Second is leasehold property. Freehold land, freehold building means you have purchased you have purchased the land and building and registered in your own name. Apona and the land and building, who owns it? You own it. So you are the owner. You are the owner. So freehold land means it doesn't mean this land is come free of cost to me. Freehold land means this is my land. On that land, I'm free to do whatever I want to do. Nobody can come and question me anything. I'm free to do whatever I want to do. Imagine you have a land. You have a 1 acre land. On that land, can somebody restrict that? Don't do like this, don't do like that. Can somebody restrict? And even if they restrict, will you listen? No, because it is my land. I will do whatever I want to do with the land. So that land is called as freehold land. That is called as freehold land. So what is leasehold land? A land which is taken on a long-term lease. Long-term lease. Even now it is very common. In Tamil we say bogam. In Tamil we say bogyam. In Hindi I don't know what do we say. Tamil it is called a bogyam. Means what? I don't want to pay monthly rent. Let's suppose I want to take a house on rent, but I don't want to pay monthly rent. So I'll give him a lump sum amount. I'll give him 25 lakh rupees lump sum amount. I'll take the house on lease for 10 years. At the end of the 10th year, I have to give the house back to the owner, and owner will give me back my 25 lakh rupees. Now you will ask, what did owner benefit? Owner got 25 lakh rupees? No. Owner got 25 lakh? No. He'll invest in the bank and get interest out of it. Got it, not got it. This is called as leasehold building, leasehold property. Apdina, we don't pay monthly rent for it. We pay him a lump sum amount, 25 lakh, 30 lakh, 40 lakh, 50 lakh, which is refundable, Got it, not got it. See, three choices I have. I have three choices. I can buy building in my name. That is called as freehold building. Second is I can buy the building on rent. I have to pay monthly rent. That is called as rental property. Third is lease. Neither I'm buying nor I'm taking for monthly rent, but I'm taking for a long-term lease. Means what? I'm paying a bulk amount of 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 lakh rupees. I'll use that for a stipulated period, 10 years, 15 years. At the end of the life, I will get my money back. The 25 lakh, 30 lakh, 40 lakh what I paid, I'll get my money back also. And the 15 years ka property what I've been using, I will give it back to my owner also. Got it, not got it. This is one type of lease. This is one type of leasehold land. புரிஞ்சுதா? இன்னொரு type of leasehold land சொல்றேன். I want to construct a building for my academy. I want to construct a building for my academy. In RS-Puram, if I buy the land, I have to pay around 20 crore rupees. Because 1 cent in RS-Puram is 1 crore. To construct a building, I need 20 cents. 20 crore rupees I have to invest. I don't have that much money. But I want to build a building in RS-Puram because RS-Puram is center area. All the students can comfortably come in this particular area. Hence, I want to build a building on my own. But the problem is, to buy the land, I need 20 crore rupees, which I'm not having. But I identified one particular person who's got a land. He's got this 20 cent land. That owner has no idea to consider anything. He is willing to give me on a lease of 2 crore, which is non-refundable. Which means if I pay 2 crore rupees, I can use this land for 20 years. How many years? 20 years. I can use this land for 20 years. On this land, I can construct the building. Nobody's going to stop me. And that building I can use for 20 years. That building I can use for 20 years. Got it, not got it? Guys, this 2 crore I paid to the owner to use the land for 20 years. On that land, I'm going to construct the building for 20 years. I'm going to use it for 20 years. Why? Because after 20 years, I'm not going to continue academy. So after 20 years, anyways, the building life will get spoiled. Anyways, I'm going to demolish it. So 2 crore rupees I'm paying to buy the leasehold land. I'm going to get benefit for paying this 2 crore for 20 years. So this 2 crore what you paid, is it revenue expenditure or capital expenditure? It is capital expenditure because I'm getting benefit for more than 1 year. Appana, this is asset. This is asset. So any money paid for leasehold property, that is your asset because by paying the money, you're getting benefit for more than 1 year. In my example, how many years? 20 years. In my example, it is 20 years. I can use the land. Got it, not got it. So this 2 crore rupees is called as asset. So any amount paid towards the leasehold property is your asset. All the asset is real account except those 5. Is leasehold property coming under the exception? No. Apana, leasehold property is your real account. It is your asset. Got it, not got it. So this property I can use only for a stipulated period. 5 year, 10 year, 15 year, 20 year, 30 year, 55 year. In the olden days, it used to be for 99 years. Dhamma. There were big factories which were taken on lease of 99 years, which means the owner used to give that property, land to the factory for 99 years. So if I am that factory owner appadina, and the land I use பண்ணுவேன் எவ்வளவு வருஷம் 99 years. Owner cannot do anything. I will vacate only after 99 years. Ana, after 99 years, whatever is the property value, that value belongs to the owner, not to me. Because in that 99 year, I only had the right to use the property, not sell the property. Whoever is the owner, he will enjoy the appreciation in the market value. Got it, not got it. So I've taken the property for 99 years lease. Since I'm using this land for more than 1 year, it becomes my leasehold property as asset. Got it, not got it. Tell no. Okay. Now, discount received. After class, all of you are going to mall. Lifestyle வந்து discount இருக்கு. You buy for 10,000 rupees, 2,000 ka discount. You have to pay how much? 8,000. Who is giving discount? Who is giving discount? Shopkeeper is giving discount. Can I call it as discount allowed? Discount allowed by the shopkeeper. Yes or no? Discount allowed by the shopkeeper. For the person who is giving discount, the person who is allowing discount, for him it is loss. For him it is loss. And the person who is receiving discount, customer receiving discount, for the customer it is gain. So discount received is a gain. Discount allowed is a loss. Discount received is a gain. Discount allowed is a loss. Discount received, they are asking. Gain. All the items which has got a flavor of income, gain, expense, losses. You are supposed to visit whose house? Nominal account. But discount received is nominal account. Discount received is nominal account. Got it, not got it. This is not income. This is gain. What is the difference between income and gain? Income means something that you earn out of your hard work, out of your skill, out of your experience. I am earning coaching fee from you. So this is my income. The money what you pay me is my income because I'm earning it out of my intellectual. That is income. What is gain? What is gain? Something which I earn without any efforts. Effortlessly which I earn. That is called as gain. Got it, not got it. There's a thin line of difference between income and gain. In the days to come, I'll discuss more about what is income, what is gain. Okay, gain ingradhu தானா வருது. You don't put effort for it. It comes effortlessly. But income doesn't come just like that. You have to put a lot of effort for it. Got it, not got it. So income, gain, there's a difference. Now, bad debt. Bad debt. You know what is bad debt? I sold product to customer on credit. I sold goods on credit to customer. You know what is the product value? 1 lakh rupees I sold it to customer. I gave on credit, believing that this customer in future will give me the money back. He gave me, you know what he gave me? BPL. Bum Pay Lat. He gave me, what you know, BPL. In Hindi, BPL means Bum Pay Lat. Means what? He said, get lost. I will not pay you money. I gave him goods worth 1 lakh, believing that the customer after 1 month will pay me the money. You know what did he say after 1 month? Get lost. I will not pay the money. Get lost. I will not pay the money. Got it, not got it. He said, get lost. I will not pay the money. That money is not going to come to me. That money is not going to come to me. So it is my loss. It is my loss. I gave this phone. I sold this phone to customer for 1 lakh. I didn't collect money. I said collect money later. Later, what did he say? Get lost. I will not pay you money. Appa, it is lost. No. So all the item of expenses and losses should go where? To nominal account. So bad debt is a nominal account. Bad debt is a nominal account. Okay, not okay. Bad debt recovered means what? The same person, after 1 year, he got bad dreams. In the dream, I went and scared him. Out of that fear, he came and paid me money. So the debt which became bad earlier, after a couple of years, the same customer is coming and giving me the money back, which means I've gained my money. The money which I've recorded already as a loss, that money I've recovered it back. I've gained it back. So this is called as gain. Is bad debt recovered your income? உன்னோட சாம்பார்த்தில நீ சம்பாரிச்சியா? Is it out of your skill and experience? No, it just happened to you. So bad debt recovered is your gain. All the gain will go to your nominal account. Bad debt recovered is your gain. Got it? Not got it. So bad debt is your loss. Hey, who said gain? Bad debt is loss. Bad debt recovered, gain. Bad debt means what? Customer said, get lost, I will not pay money. Debtor said, get lost, I will not pay money. It is loss. The same debtor, later he comes and gives you the money back. That is bad debt recovered. Now, bank OD, loan. When I come to BRS topic, in depth I'll discuss about bank OD. What is term loan? What is bank overdraft? What is cash credit? All that I'll discuss in bank reconciliation statement chapter. As of now, remember, bank OD is a loan. Loan means liability. All the liability will go to your personal account. And this loan is given by whom? Bank. Bank OD na loan given by bank. Bank is artificial personal account. So bank OD is artificial personal account. That's all. Have we covered everything? Cash, bank, done. This over. Super. Everything is done. Okay, still we are not done because in the next class, we have to decide which of these will be debited and credited. Then illustration 3 will do. So if I do 2 and 3, you will get a very good hold on the golden rule. So when are we meeting next? Tuesday. Thursday we'll do modern rule. Saturday we'll do question based on modern rule. Okay, super. I'm telling you people, if this is done, if this is done, 90% of your journal entry is over. Because in journal, what are you going to do? Debit, credit only. But in a format, this you are going to do without format. All the difference. So what we are doing now versus journal, there is no difference. Only 10% difference is there. And that difference is for what? Format difference. Rest all masala is same. If this is done properly in the next week, your journal is 90% over. Got it? Not got it? Okay. Can we wrap up? Chalo. So guys, that's all from my side for this session. I will see you all in the next class, which is on Tuesday, 7:15 p.m. sharp. Until then, bye-bye. See you. Take care. Thank you so much, people.